Goa and we had gone by boat to the island and then we had done the water sports and scuba diving. So let's go.
चलो 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 और तेज ये जा जल्दी जा वीडियो हम मैडम बहुत अच्छा वीडियो बनने है जल्दी जा तुम जाओ आराम से जाओ
Day 4 in Goa and we were going to Sagar Waterfalls, which was approximately 70 kilometers from our place, and we had gone by two-wheeler, and then you have to park your two-wheeler somewhere and then the jeep takes you inside approx 12 kilometers, and there were these beautiful locations inside where we shot pictures and videos which I have uploaded on Instagram, so you can follow me there to see them all. Because the roads were not good, so it is suggested to take a jeep and go inside, and then the jeep drops you somewhere and then you have to walk some distance and then you reach the beautiful Sagar Waterfalls, which I suggest to visit once when you are in Goa. Day 5 in Goa and we had gone early morning to Baga Beach to see the sunrise, but we got late so we were unable to see the sunrise, but the beach looks so beautiful early morning. After Baga Beach we went to PARRA Road, which is the famous Dear Zindagi location. We obviously shot videos and photos over there as well, which are up on my Instagram, and the location looks so beautiful in the morning. Everything was so peaceful, and then this is the St. Anne's Church near PARRA Road, and you must visit these two places in the morning. Day 6 in Goa and we thought to visit Kerry Bridge. The location looked very beautiful in the picture that I had seen on Instagram, so we thought to visit it, and the place was approx 40 kilometers from our place and we had gone by two-wheeler, and the roads looked so beautiful and main location, that is Kerry Bridge, was even more beautiful. You must visit once when you are in Goa. The whole place was surrounded by trees, so it was very peaceful and beautiful. These were all the places that we visited when we were in Goa. Do tell your favorite place in the comment section, and also tell which place you wish to visit in the future, and hope you have seen the Goa vlog part 1 video as well. I'll drop the link in the description box if you haven't seen till now. And thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe, and do follow me on Instagram. Thank you.